Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating layout one for with the October kit for Collection Obsession. I have previously showed you guys it's the Indigo and Ivy from Pink Paisley. Here are my papers that I've selected. I have the sticker sheets here, one with alphas. This is the regular sticker sheets. I am bringing in some scraps so that if I don't find what I need here in the tags, I can, in the sticker paper, I can look through these tags and see if I can cut any out. I also have these large scraps that I can cut into if needed. So I will set those aside. I have my photos. I'm going to do, I believe, a one-page layout with the photos. So let's see what we get into with this one. Be back. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am finished with layout number 1. So I just wanted to pop in here and show you the finished layout. So I have, as I showed you, I had selected these 3 papers right here. The green, this pattern paper, and then this one with the butterflies. I went ahead and decided to bag the entire this green in this. It's like a more of a taupe, a very light brown, put it that way. And I just decided to do a small strip of this kind of busy but neutral paper. And then this is about 3 inches. I think I cut this about 1 inch. I took ½ an inch from each of the sides to be able to mat it. I did end up gutting this paper that I used to frame, and I used that to go ahead and mount my photos on. I did take some of the cut aparts and cut apart this particular tag that matches this pattern paper here. And the embellishments from the sticker sheet, I layered them here. This already was on the tag. I layered them here, here, and here. I will say everything on here pretty much is inked in, let me see if I have it out here. Yes, I do. My little trusty little tray. It is inked in Vintage Photo. There we go. I did go ahead and bring in some things from my stash. I previously shown you in my kit that I had this little sequin mix. So I've spattered the sequin mix of colors that I thought went well with this. There is an enamel shape here. Oops. And these enamel shapes were gifted. They're from Close to My Heart. And the title is from a thicker, oops, I'm using my thickers, guys. It's from Amy Tangerine, and it's called, this is really old, Goodness, and it's in wood. I don't know if this, 2012. And I still had quite a bit of it, so I decided to go ahead. I had enough for the title. The only thing I did not have were A's, and you can probably tell right here. I just made an upside down V, and it had a little like the collection has these little, like, they're probably meant for periods, but I put it in the middle so you can't tell the difference. And the title is called Double Celebration, and I'm going to put my journaling right here. And that I really like how the title worked out, because it is, I thought of the title, and then I was thinking about how I try to position it in different ways, and I definitely love the way that that came out with the grounding pieces being there. So you guys, this came through really fast. Probably the thing that took the longest was the inking. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you'll come back next time. Bye for now.